Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with another craft for my Halloween series. This one was very easy. I just printed out a bunch of, or I typed out a bunch of words in different fonts and styles, as you can see here, and then I cut strips. You can do it however you like. I cut strips and then I cut them out and backed them on cardstock. So I ended up with a whole bunch of sentiments that are ready to go so I can embellish my Halloween projects. So hopefully you found this helpful. It's a great way to use up your scraps too. These cardstock pieces that I backed the sentiments onto were all scraps, so it's another great way to use up your scraps. And I just wanted to show you, I just quickly made some of these. I got a new punch from Michael's. This one here. I went there to find some other flower punches to make the chunky layered flowers everyone's making, but they didn't have any. That was the only flower punch they had. So I punched out a few cardstock and some vellum and just layered them up and added these spiders I've had from last year. I think they were in a big container from either Target or Michael's. I don't remember. But if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.